This is totally going to be my intro clip for this video, I think.
This is definitely not gonna.
Yeah, boy. You boys already know. Gotta get that ketchup on there. Oh, sorry, we're in Oz. It's called tomato sauce. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. We got Kyle in the car and we're going to do errands. We've actually done half of them, but I forgot and left the camera at the workshop. But this is just the intro video for the vlog. I'm a terrible vlogger. I completely forgot to do everything today for some reason. Anyways, dropping him off to pick up the Zephyr. He's gonna bring it back here and then he's gonna be probably working on the LS400 timing
chain rocker covers.
Yep. A lovely job. It's the funnest job ever to work on an LS400 with a timing service. But yeah, all jokes aside, then after that, I'm going to pretty much be going straight to like the south side-ish of Brisbane. And we're gonna be going to that CNC factory place, getting some CAD files made up for some prototypes. So hopefully they'll let me film inside the factory and see their like $1 million CNC machines with like 20 different axes. It's insane. But yeah, let's just get to it, I guess. Just pulled into this gas station, petrol station, sorry. And I'm really nervous about this being here. Please don't defect me. Drink, my precious, drink. Seriously though, these prices have dropped significantly since I first came here. When I was first here a week ago, they were like $187. So that's pretty decent. And look at that. Later, suckers! Giving this Dare triple espresso iced coffee a shot. And I was just looking on the back. That's some hella good caffeine levels there. Keen for that. And then I think in the ingredients list there, it even says coffee powder. So, hell yeah. Okay, so I can't show you guys much, but these are the guys that I'm working with to get the CNC machines done up. I can't go in there and film whatsoever inside the factory because they're working on a bunch of confidential things. But the good news is they told me that they're gonna be able to get everything done that I need by my crazy deadline that I handed them, which then means I'll be able to get the prototype to the person that's gonna be testing it for me on the 600 horsepower Skyline. And this part's been in the works now for nearly like 3.5, 4 years, I would say. And it's literally just been a struggle. Like things didn't work as well as we wanted them to. Then it got sidelined for a bit. Then we lost prototypes and it's like starting from scratch all over again. But you know, it's a mess. But it feels really good because we're finally finishing this project, which means a new product, a new Otaka Garage branded product, a big deal for the RV enthusiasts out there and getting some cooler options out there for those motors. It's exciting. It's also nerve-wracking. I hope everything goes well. But anyways, enough ranting. Let's just get back to the workshop and get back into work. Fifth gear in this car on the highway when it's raining is sketchy as. If you put your foot down, there you go, wheel spin. Like it's ridiculous. And I have like heaps of tread on the rear. This highway is scary, really slippery. Should probably put my wipers on. But I wish this weather would just figure out what it wants to do. It's hot and sunny one moment and showering the next. I don't mind it because it's like cooling down the day every now and then, but it's just, come on, make up your mind. I want to know what you want to be today. This is pretty much the life of a 1UZ. The whole front of it is covered in oil. I think that's pretty standard for all 1UZs to have oil leaks. The cam seals are like renowned for leaking and everything. Like, oh, what? Yeah.
She was covered.
She was covered. Like, look at that. Look at that all the way down there. Just admire that pool of sludge chilling there. Yum. It's water broke. Is it a boy or a girl? Do you know? Look at it. Yay. At least he's using the right Toyota coolant. Is he? Is it meant to be red?
Yeah, Toyota's more like pinky than red.
Pinky than red? Alright, well that looks pinky. Does that look pinky, boys? A little quick update on this 33 is that everything's all mounted turbo side wide and Semi's working on intake and things like that now. But I do want to show you the downpipe that Semi made. Let me get under. It's super pretty. Ugh. Look at all this beautiful stainless. Those welds are looking super nice as well. And they come down to the join pipe, into the, I think it's a HKS catback exhaust by the looks of things. Got obviously V-band clamps here and stuff, but just look at this beautiful downpipe. So proud of my boy. Good dude. But anyways, yeah. And then have a look what he's fabbing up right now. Ooh, it's your little wastegate.
Yeah.
Screamer pipe. Fun times. Got some nice lobstering going on there. Sick, man.
Had those spare from something else that I did. I was like, that will look good at the top.
They will. Nice. You gonna try and fusion weld it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Alrighty, so I got the carpet cleaning guy out right now, and he's going through and doing all of the 34, getting the interior and the seats all cleaned up. I've been zipping around in Kyle's little Corolla for a bit, which has literally just been like picking up parts and stuff while my car's getting cleaned. So we're gonna go park it back on the other side in the other car park for now. If I can put this in and start it with my left hand, lol. But these things are kind of cool, kind of zippy, they feel good. Except the only thing I hate is reverse is not here, reverse is here. So not a fan of those transmissions. I'm just old school, or I just don't want to change. I'm stubborn, guys, all right? Alrighty, it is all happening tonight. So the carpet cleaning guy from Jim's, he finished cleaning my seats and interior, which makes them look super good now. Look at this, brand spanking new again. And then Zac the man is here, who's like an amazing detailer. So he's got all of his kit here. Hopefully the rain stops so we can do this.
Even though it's already started. It's
already started to rain, but it's all good. Yes, I need to fix my brake lights. The little stop stayer thing on the brake pedal all of a sudden decided to break today. It's a common issue on Skylines, but we got the replacement ones for that, so we'll put that in. But yeah, I'll leave you to work your magic with the exterior of the car.
Definitely.
And interior.
Yeah, okay.
Sweet. We'll get some shots of him doing some detailing stuff too. I don't know what it's called.
Excellent.
I'm loving the stash, by the way.
Yeah, I know. It's getting progressively seedier every single vlog that you do.
Give me a seedy look. He put the magical wheel cleaner, and look, it's all turning purple. Can we keep the wheels this color? I like that color.
I'll tell you what, hit up Fix the Rim, you might.
It looks awesome. I mean, that's just all the brake dust and stuff is stripping off.
Pretty much what a wheel cleaner
super
is
cool.
It's like a deionizer. So pretty much all the iron that's on...
Yeah, all the iron powder and stuff, it strips it out, right?
It completely strips it off, and the chemical reaction is when the chemical reacts with iron, that's what turns purple.
Oh, so that's all the iron on there. Definitely. And I've seen ones that you can put on cars and stuff before you like clay bar them and stuff. That's correct. So what you want to try and do before you even touch the paint is you want to try and get as much off it as possible. Before you do it. Yeah, snow foam, deionize. I didn't bring my snow foam layers, but you want to deionize the car, then clay bar it. But yeah, we're not going into that. Not going that much depth, because he doesn't have like 6 hours to do it. That's it. This thing's come a long way. Whole front of it's starting to get back together. And we're going to do some overtime again today. Boys are just chilling out, waiting for the pizza to arrive. Oi, did you get a sneaky loaded fries? Waiting for the pizza to arrive. You couldn't wait? How long did it say before it gets here? I was hungry. So this is Zac's toilet brush from home, right?
Most certainly is. Yeah. It is a $40 toilet brush. Jeez, man.
Is that all coming out of my wheel?
Yes. So I'm guessing you've never cleaned the barrels of these wheels, correct?
What's a barrel of a wheel? I'm kidding, man. Yeah, man, I had to...
That's after I've used... Man, that's after I've used a wheel cleaner. Look at that. I had to do something. I had to leave it there for you so that you had something to do. That's exactly. Well, yeah, that's exactly right.
I mean, if I didn't leave them like that, you'd have nothing to do today, right?
I gotta get more soap.
Sorry, guys. Just look at all of that that's coming off my wheel. Right. Barrels. You called them barrels.
Barrels. Yeah. But look at this. Look at this. Ready? I don't know whether you better see it. Oh, oops, sorry.
Get my camera wet. Oh, look at all this oozing out. That's nuts. Look at it. I'll zoom in so you guys can. That's gross, man. Dinner time. Yo, check out how much better this car looks now. It's incredible. It looks like $1 million. Almost looks as good as when I first bought it. You can't see Zac, he's in the darkness there, but thanks, Zac. Oh, you kind of see him.
No worries.
Time to give Zac's car a bit of love, do a full safety check, find all the issues wrong with it, and then give him a big list tomorrow morning. List is just going to be, the list is going to be taller than you.
It probably will be. I mean, at the moment, with what I know that I need to get, it's probably about here. Probably tomorrow it's going to be, I can't even jump high enough.
Yeah. We need to also add this, what's in this box to that list too.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Should we show them what it is?
So pretty much right now we're trying to just go over everything on the car to look for things wrong with it. I mean, in all honesty, just, hang on, where's my finger? This whole thing here is what the problem is, being that it's a Falcon. No, I'm joking. Sammy and Zac are going out for a test drive, see if they can hear any knocks or anything in the suspension, because most of the stuff under there actually looks really good. So kind of a bit skeptical of maybe there's an issue with coilovers or something. Staying by my lonesome self in the office, finishing up some work, and about to start editing tomorrow's upload. Today's actually been really interesting. Like, a whole bunch of work got done, you know, the whole prototyping stuff at the billet CNC guys and things like that. Like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like I accomplished a lot today, and we've got so many cars here now, it's like just ridiculous. So we're gonna have to put in some OT this weekend probably to try and get a few finished up in time. And hopefully tomorrow's kind of quiet in the office so I can get out on the tools and help the guys out as well, because we really need to do that. All right, let's see what these lads are up to.
Hey,
what on earth is going on? Are you boys double teaming the Falcon right now?
Yeah.
Is this a Zac and Sam Falcon sandwich?
I don't even know.
This looks so weird, man. The legs sticking out the bottom. This is totally going to be my intro clip for this video, I think.
This is definitely not gonna.
What are you doing in there?
I want it, man.
You want it?
I want it badly.
How much do you want to pay?
I mean, I'll give you $500 if you can move the seat forward so I can reach the pedal.
Oh, dude, yeah, you just lift up the handle, the bars. It's adjustable.
Sweet, she's done. 500.
No, $500. Get out of here! Like, for some reason, we decided to give Zac a tour of all the cars and the things in the workshop when we're like trying to close and get out. So everything's just full and cars are everywhere. But he doesn't care. He's loving it.
I love it. This place is awesome. It's like my dream.
See you later, Zac.
See you later.
Thanks for the hangs and the clean car.
Definitely. I hope it stays like that, even though it's just started raining.
Cool. All right, we're gonna head. Got some car covers to throw on the damp seats because they're still not dry, so we don't dirty them. And then we're gonna head home. All right, so I'm home now and showered and all of that, and I'm trying to edit the video for tomorrow morning, but I just keep falling asleep in my seat, which is killing me. I might have to get up, do some stretches, and see if there's any, like, you know, a little bit of coffee or something upstairs or Coke. I don't know, man. I am just like really struggling. Oh. Excuse me. But today was awesome. Being able to get the car, like the 34, looking amazing as it does is just incredible. Zac coming out helping me detail the car, that was sick. And all these things actually happening because I have someone really interested in the car that's coming to look at it on Saturday and potentially put down a deposit. So I know that's going to be a little bit of a sad thing for you guys, especially if you've been an OG subscriber and you know, watch my videos when I used to be in Oz and stuff, and we had the 34. Like, when I first got the 34, that was like 9 years ago now, and like there's a lot of good memories in there. Not some great ones, but you know, it's how it is, you know what I mean? I think like all car enthusiasts, we just look at our cars and there's like a timeline in our head that we just see it all, and when this happened, that happened, and what was associated with it. Anyways, I'm really tired and starting to fall asleep just vlogging. But I did want to say thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. But don't forget, buy a sticker and join the Patreon. Links in the description. Catch you later, guys. Ciao, matane.